Hey, welcome to Automation Partners AI. Today we are gonna see how to make a $1,000 as a commission in the first sales in the first month, and $150 commissions every single month as recurring commissions with Automation Partners AI. You don't need to have any skills on affiliate marketing or any strong portfolios, but you can easily make sales because we are very easy to make sales. Okay, so you can visit our websites, and after visiting the website you need to drop down and go to the footers, and for joining as an affiliate marketers you click over here. So without joining you will not able to make money by making sales, and you can see all the requirements how you can start making money. You have to fulfill all these things. Also, double eight forms, non-US citizens or US citizens tax forms to receive quick payments or commissions. Also here you can see that 30% commission lifetime, which means let's say you have an affiliate links, now you share with somebody, and after 5-6 years later he buy that plan, you will still get the commissions. Okay, so there is no way to lose any affiliate marketers. And the best part is anybody buy your plan, buy from your affiliate links, they will be your sub affiliate, and anything, any sales they make, you will get a 10% from the same affiliate marketing program. Okay, so if you have a huge networks, you have chance to make more than $100,000 per day or per month. And the beginners, I will suggest you to bring some people who know how to make sales. They also need this softwares or apps or plan or affiliate plan or anything else what we are selling, and they will also have ability to make sales. So you don't have to worry about these things because it will make things easy. We have an options many way to make sales. uh, so here I'm going to show you how to do the registrations and how to get all these things. It's quite easy and simple, like other affiliate marketing programs from other companies like Bravo, Sandblue, all these things. So right now we are going to go with the dummy accounts, and I'm going to add a click gym as a dummy accounts, and I'm going to add some numbers, and then I'm gonna go with this. So if I click over here, it will take me to the thank you page, and it's more detail is telling what gonna happen right now. So 30% monthly recurring incomes, tier 2 10% bonus. Every sub affiliates make sales, you will get 10% automatically. So you will gonna receive emails, and if you don't receive any emails, you can check on the spam box if you don't receive on inbox. So this is my dummy mails, and I supposed to get a mails. Since I'm checking on the spam box, if I did I get any mails, I don't think so I get. So I got in the inbox. So this is my affiliate links, and don't try to overclock and get the commission. It will not work because this account will be deleted and this affiliate ID will be gone, so it's not gonna work for you. You can see the 30% commissions, also 10% tier 2. The most exclusive part is about this program is you can make uh, a grand in first sale in a month from our setup fees. So we encourage you, you need to encourage your customer that they're willing to pay the setup fees. And why they will pay the setup fees? Because I mean they will get everything all set. They doesn't need to go to the Fibers, Upwork, so many places, hire so many people and get mess. Okay, because nowadays you have an AI, you have many people as a virtual assistant, someone building the website SEO, and this are not synchronized, you will not able to do the best shot. Okay, and you will messed up. So instead of taking 2 months, you take 6 months to build your business with SEO, all these things, and then you might gonna start making sales, but you now in the debt, or you're broke now. So that things we can done. We we have our 5 years experience. We have some piston customers, real customers portfolio. That's the reason you can easily sell, and we're transparent. We can do the meetings if they want. But right now, what we are doing is the automated sales, so you get automated commissions, and they can get our platforms. So what is happening right now? I mean, you got affiliate links, you got your campaign. If you click over there, you can see you will go to the campaign, you will see how many sub affiliates you got, and if they make a sales, how many commissions you get from here. So these from these affiliate links, I can see my landing page, how it looks like. Okay, so it can give me idea what I'm gonna sell. So this is our platform sell link options in detail informations about all these things and what it does. And this is real business portfolios. I mean, it makes $100,000 every single month, and sometime 2000 I mean $200,000 in a month. And it built from scratch with the branding and everything. And you have also a chance to get this kind of results if you go with us, if we set up for you, if we build and guide to you. So if you have a big mindset with a big budget, with a good ROI, then you can go with this. Our plans, I mean our plans, this is not here. We just offer you $500 every single month. If you click over here, it will take you to the directly checkout. Here you can submit the forms and check out and get pay the $500. Then you will see the setup fees, which is $3,000, and you will also able to get a 30% commission from there. So this is huge. And you are also making the first month, in the first sale, from commissions from setup fees. Also, you're making 150 commissions every single month. So this is all about, I mean, here you can read, you can understand all those things, easy to sell, because we explain everything in appropriate ways. Also the real life portfolio. Now let's say you have very beginners and very small, you never ever did affiliate marketings. How you can do that? So it's quite easy. You don't need to worry about you just go to the lead gen. Okay, so this is our a autonomous marketing apps. You can go over here, you can log in. If you don't have a login, just do the registrations. There was a registration options underneath. You can see that registration here is just a simple registration like other apps. Okay, so when you're done with the registration, you will see that you have an account. You can log in. Now after login, you will see the subscription. You have to do the subscriptions, otherwise you will not able to use this app. Also, you need to top up some balance to see the auto mails and auto scrap. Okay, so now when you're done with all these things, you need to go to setups. Also, you need to go with help. Here you can see all in detail how to set up the setting pages. And the best part is you have now the affiliate links. So you just copy the affiliate links and paste over here. Okay, so I already updated, so I don't need to update anymore. And I will make the affiliate link invisible because I don't want to show you. Okay, so but this affiliate link will be deleted, so you don't need to worry about. And in the website, instead of my homepage, I will add the landing page that we have. So that's the landing page link. I can also copy from here, and I can click on update. So it's successfully updated. Now I will able to do many things if I want. I can write a blog and I can post on my blog sites. Okay, also I can scrap the leads and it will mail with my affiliate links. and it will send exact way it should be sent. Also, you need to set up in your way, like his setup is done with Eric Kipperman, which is the CEO of our company. He is 20 over 25 years experience digital marketers, or you can see the business owner, investors, or entrepreneurs. He also was shown up on the magazines. He's a successful person. Okay, so you can see the blocks. You can do some edits. You can change some parts and do the scheduling. This is highly optimized blog with the full SEO. So if you post, you will also get a hyperlinks with your affiliate links. So anybody go there, they buy from theirs, you will get a commission. So when you set up all these things, it will create a blog in this way. Like right now, the setup is for company promotions, so that's why the blog is writing in a way. It doesn't provide the affiliate links. Also, you can see the schema markup. Let's say you have a website, you want to do the schema markups, you can do that. So it's a full SEO optimized blog, and it's right now is for setup in the settings. We set up as a promotional blog, so that's why it's a promotional blogging. So when we set up is also add the compliance, it will make a affiliate marketing. So not only ours, you can do others on the leads and Z. You have zero skills, mail will be sent like a professional email marketers, and you might gonna make a sales. So now we will go to search, and what we will do, let's say, um, I'm gonna go with the basement, or let's say roofing company. Okay, so I want to offer these people like, yay, um, I'm gonna help you to build your systems, and this is my affiliate links. I mean, I'm an affiliate marketer, but they will see as a, I mean, after setup that you know the best way the way you plan. Like professional people will do that, and even if you're the beginner, you just add your names and all those things. Mail will be sent that way. So now if I turn on the mails and go with this, it will start sending mails after scrapping leads. So I need to wait a couple of seconds, and then here we go. We found 5 mails, and it starts sending mails. And if we failed any mails, it will show us. And it's mailing including our affiliate links, which means if they click on affiliate links and buy the plan, I will earn $150 commissions every single month. Also $1,000 for the first setup fees. So we are not neglecting your hardships. That's why we are also like to provide you your setup fees, 30% commissions. I mean, it will be included with the, like it's including all this payment. So why it's so $3,000? Because we will make all set. Our apps have over like 200 features. Like if the guy said, yeah, I want an SEO, websites, mail campaign, workflow, we will done all set for him. So he doesn't need to hire so many people, and everything will be set for him. And he can, in a month, he can start doing his business. He will not able need to be waste more time. And because we are professional, we will set in a way like it's supposed to be like this. He doesn't need to worry about is my mail will be in the spam box or inbox, because we will also set that parts, domains, everything, reputations, backlinks, SEO, full stack SEO, website buildings, all these things a business one. Okay, so they doesn't need to worry about all these things. Even we will write the script what his call center will be called. Even we can set up the call center for him, but that's the different parts. Okay, we can help them to grow. So but these things is for set up his systems in our apps. Okay, so you need to go with landing page and read everything very well so you can make sales. If you want to go like as a call centers or cold callers or manually email marketing. But if you don't want to do any hard works, you can come over here, make as many sales you want. Okay, and you will also see the preview. what mail send based on what SMTP settings you did and what mail test mails you set that up to, it will be sent, or what mails you authorize representative as add that. Most probably these systems work for B2B, not B2C. We have also B2C options with pre-qualified leads. You doesn't need to hire call centers, make a call, then pre-qualified. If you're good in email marketings, also good in cold calling, you can buy a lead from us. We have over like trillion billion lead list where we can pull that up according to your qualification needs. So like right now you're looking for some leads who will do the car wash, and we will bring some leads that actually looking for car wash. So it's pre-qualified leads and a bulk amount of leads like 1000, 2000, 3000 leads, and you can start working on those. Also you can use that as a lookalike ads. Okay, so this is our B2C and B2B. We also have a compliance with NDA, FDA, so you have to go through that. And this one is best for affiliate marketing. So also other parts, like if you don't like to hire email marketing or do marketers or do such things, you can do all these things by yourselves. Just set up once in a lifetime and do just scrap leads. Okay, that's it. So I don't need to worry about what should I write and make sales. I already sent over like 201 mails, and already some couple of cents is cut off for per mails. Okay, so that's just all about. Even if you never ever did affiliate marketings but looking for making some sales, people can make sales easily. We also have leads and landing pages. You can see why it's important, and it can save you a lot of money. Also you can see so easy steps to start getting into it. Many people make money by using leads and the apps. You can also see this is our previous website, previous update, and this video is the current one in 2025 in 7 July. So we will be glad if you follow this. Also you can follow the previous videos. We have a problem, but we recommend, if you buy this, we recommend you to read these blogs and set up your settings. Okay, and it doesn't take too long, well explained with the screenshot and audio files, so we don't think so you will be missed out any parts. Okay, so this is all about. We wish you luck, and we believe so we will make a tremendous sales, and you will also be making so much money, which will be glad for us, and see you together for making more businesses. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye.